Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best money bouquet is probably one of the most unique and thoughtful gift ideas you can give, combining the practicality of cash with the beauty and artistry of a stunning floral arrangement. It's a perfect blend of sentiment and substance, making it ideal for birthdays, graduations, weddings, or any special occasion where you want to show someone you care in a truly memorable way, offering a gift that's both visually striking and financially beneficial. Number 5. CraftyCrocodile Gift Card Tree. It's a beautiful addition to your home. Its flexible branches hold up to 11 items, perfect for the holidays or any celebration. This premium design lets you shape the branches however you like. Use it to display cards, photos, notes. It's incredibly versatile. It's built to last and looks great anywhere. Place it on a table, desk, or shelf. It'll add a touch of elegance to any room. Decorating is a snap. Arrange the branches, hang your items, and you're done. It's also balanced to prevent tipping. Use it at home, at a wedding, in a shop. The possibilities are endless. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with your own personal touch. What we like. It has flexible branches that can be bent into any shape and are very durable. It's also incredibly versatile, perfect for displaying various items. If you are looking for a decorative and functional money holder for various occasions and gifts, this is the one for you. What people say. It holds them securely and displays them beautifully. I've compared these to similar ones and this is the best. Seems to have the most clips. They worked beautiful and I was able to bend them very easily into shape. Number 4. Ribbonbonbox Money Box. It's an elegant and luxurious gift for your loved ones. Give them a unique present they'll treasure forever. It's perfect for any occasion. This kit includes a pop-up card for your personal message. When they pull the card, cash-filled bags magically appear, making it a delightful and elegant way to give money. It features a luxurious black design, a matching bow, and a transparent lid showcasing beautiful red roses. Built-in LED lights add a special touch. Made with a wooden board and acrylic lid, it's built to last. The roses are soap, so they'll stay beautiful for years to come. Perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, or any special day. It's a simple yet meaningful way to show your feelings and give a gift they'll love. What we like. This one offers a unique surprise reveal with a pull-out design. It also boasts an elegant and luxurious design. If you want to give a memorable and sophisticated cash gift, this is perfect for you. What people say. The presentation is classy and stylish and already looks like the gift without the hidden surprise. The perfect gift in a gift. It's such a great way to give cash as a gift. It's also reusable with care. It was very expensive looking and it wasn't hard to put together, very simple. Number 3. Mutter Money Tree LED Light. It's a beautiful and elegant way to display your cards and photos. The soft LED lights create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Made with sturdy plastic, it's built to last. The LED lights are energy efficient and safe to use. Simply arrange the branches and hang your ornaments. It's easy to shape and perfectly balanced. With 24 bright LEDs, it adds a touch of magic to any space. The compact size is perfect for tables and desks. Use it for holidays, parties, or everyday decor. Display cards, photos, memos, and more. It's ideal for Christmas, Valentine's Day, weddings, and more. It even makes a lovely lamp after the event is over. What we like. This money tree features charming LED lights, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's also easy to decorate and arrange. If you like a festive and warm ambience, this is your best choice. What people say. It's a neat way to give cash as a gift. This is such a cute way to give gifts. Perfect size for our dinner table centerpiece also, so it was multi-use for us. I put lottery scratchers on it and gave it as a raffle prize. Bought one last year and put gift cards on it for my dad's Christmas present, and now the tree is his Christmas tree in his apartment. I use these all of the time for different things. Love it. Number 2. Money Cake Pull-Out Kit. It's the perfect way to add an extra special touch to any birthday cake. This kit makes giving cash gifts fun and memorable. It's designed to fit cakes big or small, so you can use it for any celebration. The money box and topper are reusable, too. The kit includes a sturdy box, a fun cake topper, a plastic roll with 50 pockets, and easy-to-follow instructions. You just add the cash and the cake. Simply slip in your cash, roll it up, and place it in your cake. There's even a helpful video to guide you. This isn't just a fun gift, it's a way to give back. A portion of the profit supports at-risk youth, making your celebration even more meaningful. What we like? It comes as a complete package, making it super easy to set up and use. Plus, a portion of the profits goes to a good cause. If you're looking for a convenient and impactful way to give a money gift, this is it. What people say. It arrived quickly and was fairly simple to put together. I definitely recommend taking the time to read the directions because if you put it together correctly, the experience is magical. The product itself is good quality, well made, and can be used more than once if you buy replacement sleeves. It came with easy step-by-step assembly instructions and was really affordable. It came with 50 sheets, but I recommend using 40 to 45 to leave some room to easily roll out. Number 1. Money Tree Gift Card Holder. Tired of traditional gift giving? This chic money tree is a fun and unique way to present cash or gift cards. It's perfect for adding a special touch to any occasion. Its modern design makes it suitable for birthdays, weddings, holidays, or any celebration. Use it to display cash, gift cards, or photos. The possibilities are endless. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply arrange the bendable branches to create your own unique money tree display. It's quick and easy. Standing 17 inches tall with a stable 4-inch base, it's designed to stay upright. Plus, the LED lights add a touch of magic. Simply turn them on or off with the switch on the base. It's the perfect centerpiece for any table, desk, or cabinet. This cordless display uses 3 AAA batteries for its LED lights, making it convenient and easy to use. This money tree is more than just a gift holder, it's a stylish way to present your thoughtful gifts. It's sure to impress. What we like? This money tree features LED lights and is very easy to set up. It's also sturdy and well balanced. If you need a simple, elegant, and reliable money tree, this is a great option. What people say. It was easy to set up and since he is a fussy person, come in handy for Christmas gift cards. It looked real nice all lit up. And the clips keep things secure. Makes for a fun and unique way to display and present a gift. Great for an auction item as well. Can use to display your value item, like a donated pass or gift certificate, but add postcards or greeting cards or pictures. Very sturdy and lights up bright. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.